It was in the mid-90s that we realized, during an investigation into traffic accidents, that a large proportion of fatalities in accidents were the result of car-to-pedestrian or car-to-car collisions. This testified to the importance of focusing on the real world, to examine how real accidents occur and what kind of injuries people sustain. Collision tests that simulated actual accidents were not prescribed in the regulations, and no automobile manufacturer had attempted to undertake such an initiative to build its own large-scale testing facility. However, Honda decided to take on this unprecedented challenge. The objective was to ensure customer safety and win their absolute trust. This required the laying down of objective standards. This attitude toward safety led to the development of the world's first pedestrian dummy to reduce pedestrian injuries. It also led to the construction of the world's first crash testing facility that could simulate car-to-car crashes in the real world. Construction of the indoor multi-directional car-to-car crash testing facility was completed in April 2000. Based on 0 and 180-degree courses, there are a total of 8 courses in 15-degree increments radiating out from the center that pull 2 vehicles together into a collision at a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The extensive facility also allows the simulation of a variety of types of crashes, giving it the highest level of flexibility in the world, and tests are carried out repeatedly on a daily basis.